Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog ay nagluluto naman ako ng rice bowl from the leftover rice. Ayan guys. So ito yung mga ingredients natin. Meron tayo dito ng, of course, I have available here na vegetable is yung long bean. Slice ko lang siyang maninipis. And carrots, chopped finely. Onion, ayan. Sorry guys, kumakain ako ng chocolate. And we have the green beans, ayan guys, and the scallion, or we call it spring onions, and 1 egg, and the leftover rice. Okay, so magpainit lang tayo ng 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, vegetable oil. Ayan, i-fry lang natin. Ayan, igisa muna natin yung mga gulay natin bago natin ihalo sa ating leftover rice. Ayan guys, yung onion natin. Ayan, hanggang brown lang siya. Isunod na natin yung carrots. Ayan. Yung spring onion. No, it's not a spring onion. We call that long bean, green beans. Ayan, lahat na. Lagay na natin at haluin lang siya. At lutuin lang siya ng maybe 2 minutes. Ayan, at saka ilagay na natin yung pepper and salt to be taste. Ayan guys, napakadali no guys. So, it's very good for the kids. Ayan. So, haluin lang natin to. Guys, you can mix also meat. Either beef, minced beef, or minced pork, or minced chicken. Should be okay. Alright, so, ayan. So, after 2 minutes, pwede na natin ihalo sa ating leftover na kanin. Ayan, guys, umuusok pa, no? So, ilagay na natin yung spring onion. And by the way, guys, nilagyan ko pala siya ng konting sesame oil. Nasabi ko na ba kanina? Kasi yun din ang papasarap sa ating rice bowl. Ayan. So, pwede nyong lagyan din ng sesame seed. Alright, so ayan guys, ihalo din natin yung isang egg. Paghaluin lang at gawing ball, yung parang ping-pong ball siya kalaki. Yun guys. At pwede rin yun siyang lutuin, deep fry, o yung i-fry lang ninyo, or i-bake. Okay? So, ayan guys, it's very good for the kids. Ayan, yung mga hindi masyado kumakain ng gulay na mga bata, ganito ang gawin ninyo. So, i-fry ko lang siya at gumamit ako ng olive oil. Okay, ayan. So, hindi ko supposed to be bake ko siya kaso our oven is not available right now. Kasi nagbe-bake yung amo ko. Ayan guys, so fry ko lang siya ng madali lang. Ito na siya yung finished product natin na nauna. So thank you so much for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and please try this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Weng AJ Tacus, and please give me a thumbs up, comments, and hey, don't forget to ring the bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod ko pang mga upload. Thank you!